Right, got one emulator, so right click that, run as administrator, yeah, click yes, yes, record administrator rights, yes, install, yeah, why not? Installation complete. Ooh. Okay, so I've got Windows 10 International x64 version 1 ISO, which is the update Windows 10. And how do I mount this now? Alright, we've got that up. Okay. Aha. Keep drive after restart. Looks pretty good. Huh. Yep, it's already found it, and run the setup. Yes. Be loading the ISO, and there we go. Some of you recognise the screen. Yeah, let's go next. Right, so far so good. I'm just hoping I can migrate that drive with Windows 10 into this computer here. This is all trial and error. Some of you probably want to know if this is actually possible or not. Yeah, I don't know if it is, but we shall soon find out. Okay. Huh. Wouldn't it be funny if it says, oh, computer isn't fast enough? Windows 10 usually goes on everything though. It's Windows 11. That seems to be a bit of a problem. I know you can get Windows 11 mini ISO and sets whatever. Scroll all the way down, make sure there's nothing hidden. Accept. Checking for updates. That's always a good sign. Right, obviously this is starting to take a wee while. Lots of flashing away. The old internet. Right, I shall come back once we've gone past the Windows CD key. Stupid phone.